Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add a task manager option in the taskbar context menu on your Windows computer. So this tutorial will apply for Windows 10 and Windows 11 computers. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we are going to start off by opening up the search menu. Type in regedit, R-E-G-E-D-I-T. Best result should come back a registry editor. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. And before you proceed in the registry, I would highly suggest you create a backup of it. So if anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. In order to create a backup, it's very simple. All you have to do is select File and then Export. File name, and recommend naming it the date in which you're making the backup. Set export range to all and save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on your computer. And if you ever need to import it back in, all you'd have to do is select File and then Import, and then navigate to the file location. So now that that is done, we're ready to begin, and we're going to start off by double-clicking on the HK local machine folder. Do the same thing now for the system folder, so double-click on that. Should be a current control set folder in here, double-click on that one as well. Should be a control folder, double-click on that. Locate the feature management folder, double-click on it. And now locate overrides, double click on that. And then finally there should be a folder that says 4, just a number 4. If you need to pause and take note of our file path, you can see it up at the top of the screen here. Each backslash is a different sub key that we've gone under to get to this point. So now that we have the 4 folder selected here, you want to right click on it and select new and then select key. You want to name this key, and this is very important, you want to name this key 18878695580. So again, 18878695580. Again, 18878695580. So that's the number you want in here, okay? It's very important. Click inside of it, click out of it to save that position in there. And then once you've done that, now over on the right side, you want to right click in a blank area, select new, and then select DWORD 32-bit value. Name this value enabled state. First letter of both words should be capitalized. So again, enabled state, and hit enter. And then once you have done that, go ahead and double click on it. In the value data field, type the number 2, the numerical value of 2, and then select OK. Now you want to create another value in here underneath enabled state. Right click in a blank area, select new, DWORD 32-bit value. Now you want to name this enabled state options. Again, enabled state options, and hit enter. And now you want to double click on that. Make sure value data is set to 0. Now, you really don't have to double click on it if you just created the value. However, for whatever reason, you already have a value in here with that name. You don't have to recreate it. You just would double click on it and set it to the numerical value of 0. So once that's done, go ahead and select OK. And then you will need to close out of the registry editor and restart your computer in order for the change to take effect. So let's go ahead and restart our computer at this time. So now if you right-clicked on our taskbar, you should see an option for Task Manager, assuming you may have lost this update, or maybe you're running an older version of Windows 11, so that's certainly possible. But anyway, now it should be visible down there. And as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.